Hey guys, Lightning Dave here. We had a really bad accident and somebody didn't survive. Ford Explorer. More like a Ford Exploder. It's a shame. I'm not quite sure what happened, but I heard about this one and I was probably 5 miles away, but everything's blocked off. They have 5 police on scene. This guy just got here. This one they taped off. It's one of the few that they've taped off. This one's real bad. I'm gonna walk down and walk around and see if I can get a better view. There's a lot of onlookers on this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 police cars. So this one's not looking good. And they've curtained the window off to stop from the person that died. Stuff is flown out of the car. Part of the motor is sitting over here on the ground. That little piece. It's right there in front of the cop car. Well, past the cop car, but in front of it. But it's a shame. I don't like seeing ones like this. I'm gonna walk up into the shade. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 police officers I see. I'm not quite sure.
On the ground.
Yeah, this is ripped apart. Top of this car is shredded. The side, as you can see, the doors are jarred open. This one's really bad. I don't see any other vehicles around, but this is not a good one, guys.